my peeps, you see? Yeah, my recipe, eatable, tasteable. You can see it. I'll try to make some simple lime juice also right now, you see? Yeah, man. Remember Jamaican cook. Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Recipe for today is some Magnum brown stew fish. So please watch the video to the end. You will see, remember, Magnum brown stew fish. Watch the video to the end. Like, share. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Subscribe on YouTube. Thing, eh? Soft up and thing, you see it. Remember, brown stew fish ready now. Alright, my peeps, you know, say some escovage fish. So see fish the way season up and thing. Spice up and thing. And we obviously spice them here. Fish, Irish, okra, tomato, pepper, pimento, garlic, ginger, onion, scallion, and thyme. Then cut up and wash and clean and thing there. See plant right here. We have some spice to fry the fish in the oil. You see fish well spiced up and thing there. Recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable, delicious Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. People know outside there I cook, so the gas done, so they're outside. Alright, my peeps, nobody watch the crust, man. I say gas done, you know, so nobody watch the crust, man. I got some butter to it right now, see it? Still like it now. You know what I say? Add the butter to it. See the spice them and thing, yeah? Add the spice them to it. Alright. Add some Maggi all purpose. Add some sugar, flavor it, and some sauce right here, flavor it, and really enough. Add some ketchup, also some more sauce right here, you can see, yeah. Alright, after that, so we got some of these pepper sauce to it, you can see. Alright, see here. Alright, I got some Magnum to it also. You can see it. Like this, alright. Also, then add some water to it now, see? Some fresh pretty water to it like this. That's really enough. So I'm going to make that water cook for 10 minutes, right? Remember I say outside now, so just a seasoned up inside the seed. So I'm going to taste it now and so it one. So also long I add a little vinegar, a little tip of vinegar to it, to flavor it. Browning also, browning, can see it, not really enough, just get good color. Like that, alright. Peeps, see the fish then while I find crisps and thing there. Brown, some more of them crispy. Okay. Yeah, you can see it. Alright, my peeps, my sauce outside and I'm gonna bubble up and things. So showing step by step. Make it Irish and go and cook, come on and cook soft and thing. Alright, sauce are delicious, eatable, tasteable. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Magnum sauce. Yeah, my people, some sauce there. Alright, it's my sauce now. So next my fish outside and I add it to the sauce now, you can see. And then the sauce like this. put some I think on top of the fish them, so you can't add everything one time. So, alright, after that, these and these over here, so alright. Okay, you want to get the Irish and cook and thing there, so give these one next 5 minutes. Next update there, you want to see, keep one go down. So get another 5 more minutes, see it. Next 5 more minutes, see it, water is see me. Just my peeps it there. Yeah man, brown stew fish ready, you see? Yeah man, remember Magnum sauce, brown stew fish. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, like and share. Don't want to reach on this people, see someone want it, right? Yeah man, see Irish can cook on soft and thing, eh? Soft up and thing, you see it? Remember, brown stew fish ready now. Yes, my people, see the brown stew fish there. I can see okra, the pepper, Irish. You can see fried plot there. You can see rice and peas, coconut juice, well rich up in it, and see peas right there. You can see all I spice them on the seed. Remember Magnum sauce now. You have some peeps. Alright, what I go and see some seed. Alright, my peeps, you see. My recipe eatable, tasteable. You can see it. I'll try to make some simple lime juice also right now, you see? Yeah man. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, like and share. Alright, my peeps, see the recipe there. Yeah man. Magnum brown stew fish. You can see? Yeah man, see there. I'll taste and see what I want to eat now. Taste piece of the fish, right? I like to mouth there run water and it'll be okay. Alright. Delicious, eatable, taste to it.